Sit back and just puff on the air. Sit back and just puff.
What is up? What to do? I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't think anyone's watching this, but you know what it is? It's currently 1:44 p.m. Neopet Standard Time, alright? And basically here, this is the video to show you how to create the ultimate password. The ultimate password of anything, alright? Of anything in the whole world, the whole wide world, right? This is how you make all your passwords super secure. No hacker will ever get into your account, ever. Trust me, right? So create a username. Alright, first off, we gotta create a username. I'm just using Neopets because fuck it, that's the first thing that came to mind. Because I really don't care. I would have chose Club Penguin, but RIP, rest in peace, Club Penguin. Yeah. But alright, let's see. Okay, first of all, I agree, because whatever, fuck it. Spoon Guy 535. I said 3, but there's a 7. Whatever, alright. That doesn't matter, right? Create a password, alright. So this is the key to making a good password. First off, start off with something simple, right? Press 3 different, oh god. Can you not see? Alright, whatever. Enter like 3 random numbers on the keyboard, right? I tend to go start from like, I don't know, I just like whatever my hands were, just press those random keys, right? Actually, make sure the first one is capital. The second 2 are fine. Add a 5th one in there. And then put a number. And then another letter, but make this letter capital. And then add another letter, capital. But then create 2 of the same letter. Right back to back. Then, what you want to do here is then add some numbers in, right? And then 2, if you want to do something special with it, make sure ultra secure, right? Put on some symbol, put like an underscore, 3 more numbers, and then 2 digits, but then make sure, or not 3 more numbers, 2 digits, I meant 3 more numbers and then 2 letters, make sure one of the letters is capital. I would recommend the first one. Right, but anyway, once you have that down, just try to memorize what keys on the keyboard you press. Don't really memorize the password because it's not really even making any sense. It's not supposed to, because that's the key to all good passwords, to be honest. Just making like random stuff. And to be honest, look how long this is. You see how long it is? That's pretty long. You could probably get rid of a few of these actually. No, that's a solid size though, right? Right here, that's a solid size. So I'd say like first 4 random letter or number combination, but make sure there's a capital in there somewhere. This area right here, I'd say 2 of those in the middle right there are would be letters, right? None of them are going to be capitalized actually, and then these 2 will be numbers. This right here will be like a symbol, like an underscore or something like here. And then these ones will just be like more letters. And then you could add like simple number then, something like that. Something easy to remember, but this is basically a key or guide here to make an ultimate password. Because people always use like some dumb word like something they'll like a word or something like they'll remember, right? And that's really a bad idea because that's easy for people to hack. Not only that, like they tend to choose like one password for every single website they have, which is honestly a horrible idea, because what they have it all. I just create unique passwords for each and every single site, and I'll have like all types of stuff. Like and not only that, I change my passwords like every 3 months, and I always add on more to it, so it increasingly gets longer and longer. Like I knew this one kid whose password was like 50 digits up until pi, so it would be like 3.14 up until like 50, and that's crazy, to be honest. That's pretty smart too, but it's easy to check once they find out the pattern. But anyway, I just thought I'd let everybody know that, because you know, nowadays you gotta be pretty secure with the passwords out there. All the celebrities out there having their nudes leaked, and everybody's YouTube channels and everybody's Twitters, or everything is getting hacked nowadays. It's getting leaked, and you need to know how to make a good password, a strong, secure password. But anyway, that's it. I'm signing off. Whatever. If you enjoyed or thought this to be somewhat useful, I don't know, just fucking leave a like or comment if you actually even watch this. If you even watch this shit, leave a comment. Because I know damn well nobody here watches this bullshit. But fuck it, right? And subscribe if you actually did watch it or make it through this video. And I'll see y'all next time I actually post something.